Hello guys, myself Saloni Kandargaonkar. I have a YouTube streaming channel called Mili Kya Mili. I stream PUBG and many other games on regular basis. From a very young age, we are taught that girls like playing with dolls and their favorite color is pink, while guys like G.I. Joe, Hot Wheels and their favorite color is blue. Well, it's our culture. It has always been the same. On the other hand, video games are always considered as a violence. And when it comes to a girl playing video games, society and especially their parents don't want their cute little princess to play those violent games. I'm a woman, but I play video games, and my favorite game in recent times is PUBG. PUBG is an online multiplayer battle royale where you fight against 99 enemies and the last person alive wins the game. I enjoy playing the game regularly with my friends, and I found out it did not make me violent. Instead, it helped me undo the stress I carry on my shoulders. My parents, on the other hand, do support me and my choice of streaming video games. They are proud of me and what I do. But somewhere down the line, I still believe that there are many people who still don't think women can be as entertaining or competitive as men are while streaming. Guys love playing video games with female protagonists like Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, The Walking Dead, A Plague Tale, and many more. But when it comes to accepting women as a gamer, they think gaming community is a no place for women. They'll say women don't know how to play or go back to the kitchen or comes up with sexual advances and threats. When a guy plays games, he is called a gamer, but when a girl plays games, she is called a girl gamer. Why is there a difference? We are gamers. We can be as competitive as guys are. We are no lesser than a man. We can shoot, we can drive, we can be the player one. Let's celebrate Women's Day by a shift in the way we see female members of this community. Let the game begin.